Hey crew, today's video will be dessert nachos with apple pie filling that we had left over from the stuffed cinnamon rolls we did with the apple pie filling. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using cinnamon sugar, caramel syrup, flour tortillas, margarine, and our apple pie filling. So if y'all like to see this full video, please stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the videos. Okay, crew, so we're going to take some flour tortillas. I'll place them on our cutting board. Got homemade tortilla chips. That ain't hard. Just cut them, and there you go. Our tortilla chips for our nacho chips dessert. I have 6 tablespoons of margarine here that I'm gonna put in our pot. I'm gonna let that melt. So we're gonna go in with our apple pie filling. And we just want our apples to get tender a little bit. So we're gonna kind of warm this up and let it stay on a simmer, a low simmer, until we get ready to put everything together. So I have 6 tablespoons of butter and like a 3/4 of a can of apple pie filling. I'm gonna go in with a little water. Alright, cool. So we're gonna put our tortillas in the grease. Alright, so we have our tortilla chips. We're gonna take some cinnamon sugar.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up. with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural bomb. You know I'm not a girl anymore.
Here's a famous close-up of our tortilla chips with cinnamon sugar.
Going anywhere, I got a good guy.
Okay, crew, so we're about to build our nachos. I'm gonna put a layer of tortillas down first. Then I'm gonna top it with our apple pie filling. Then I'm gonna put a scoop of vanilla ice cream in the center. Then I'm gonna drizzle it with caramel sauce.
His care. You know I need you, I'm needy, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, crew, here's that famous close-up of our dessert nachos, aka apple pie filling nachos.
Feeling more than right in his care, so I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going.
Okay, crew, so our dessert nachos is ready. We're gonna take a little of this ice cream right here. Y'all, so good. Tastes just like an apple pie. I hope y'all like this video. If you did, please thumbs up the video, like and comment on the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Pops out, who it is.